Hello, good morning, students. We will study mathematics today, isn't it? Do you remember? Today is Friday and we study mathematics in this period, isn't it? Are you ready? With your copy, pen, and book. Today we will study worksheet 9. Last time we studied worksheet 6. But all of you have not submitted homework. We all must submit homework, isn't it? On my science group. That was one point. Another is, are you getting up at 6 o'clock? One should not get up after 6 o'clock. And you must do yoga. Anulom Vilom Pranayam, Kapalbhati. These are must for increasing our concentration power and our immunity system. Isn't it, students? So if you do yoga at least half an hour, you write yes on my science group. Okay? Now we will study this worksheet 9. We will solve word problems. Are you afraid of solving word problems? No, it's very interesting. We can do it very easily and nicely. Let us see the chart, students. We will do work unit 4, fractional number. We are doing worksheet 9. Worksheet 9, page 65. Now, word problems. Question number 1A. You write down the questions in your copy. In word problem, you must write questions first in your copy in good handwriting, neatly. What is the question, students? We have done multiplication, and these word problems are based on multiplication of fractional number with whole number. Let us see. What is the question 1A? Geeta has 8 marbles. Marbles, you know, you play with that. She gave 1/4 of them to her younger brother. How many marbles did her brother get? Now you will write solution. Remember, the way I solve the question, you must do in that way only, in your copy, neat and clean. If you don't do your work neat and clean, I won't check your copy. So, in solution, you will write first. In words also, you will have to mention, because this is word problem. So, we must write in words. We must explain in words. Total marbles is equal to how many? 8. So we will write 8. How many? Now we have to calculate number of marbles with brother, younger brother. So what will be the answer? 1/4 of 8. 1/4 of 8. Now see, what is of? Of means you will have to multiply. Of is nothing but we have to multiply. So now instead of we will write multiplication sign. So it will be 1/4 into 8. Now you know how to make it in simpler form. 4 to the 8. So 2 marbles answered. So younger brother will get 2 marbles. So he is happy now. Now do you find it interesting? Because it is not very difficult. You just write the questions, then solve it. Statements are necessary. That is the one point. And near you put equal to sign like I have given in the chart. Now question number 2. 1 plum cake weighs 3/4 kg. Oh, somebody's birthday is there. If Mr. Ramesh buys 5 such cakes, how many kilograms of cake did he buy? 1 plum cake weighs 3/4 kg. Mr. Ramesh buys how many? 5 plums of cakes. How many kilograms of cake did he buy total? We have to calculate. What will we do? We will write solution. See the way I have solved. Now we will write the statements. Statements is must in word problems. Total cakes is equal to 5. It is given in the question paper. It is given in the worksheet. Question 1B 5. So total cakes is equal to 5. Weight of one cake is equal to 3/4. Given in the question 3/4 kg. What will be the total weight? 3/4 of 5. Again of means multiplication. 3/4 into 5. So we know how to multiply in fractional numbers with whole number. 5 3 ja 15 by 4. Now it will be, if the numerator is greater than denominator, we will change it into mixed fractional number, isn't it? We will change into mixed fractional number. So what will be the answer? 3 whole number 3/4 kg. Now question number 1C. Question number 1C. What is the question? You must write the questions carefully. The cost of 1 kilogram apples is 25 whole number 1/2 is rupees 25 whole number 1/2. What is the cost of 1 whole number 1/2 kilogram apples? What is the cost of 1 kilogram? Rupees 25 whole number 1/2. And what is the cost of total cost of 1 whole number 1/2 kilogram will be? How will it be solved? We will write the statements like cost of 1 kg of apples is equal to rupees 25 whole number 1/2. It is given. Now change into simpler form. 25 into 2, 50 plus 1, 51/2. Total weight will be, total weight is given 1 whole number 1/2 kg is equal to 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3/2 kg. So what will be the total cost now, students? Again 51/2 of 3/2 kg. Of means multiplication. So we'll put the sign of multiplication. 51/2 into 3/2. So we will multiply numerator. 51 into 3 is equal to 153. 2 2 ja 4. Equal to or equal to signs are like this. It is in the same way you will have to give. Here, 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 here. So if you divide it, we will get 38 whole number 1/4. Answer. So you must match your answer with the answers given in the book. If it is wrong, you will solve again. Then only you will submit to me. Okay, students? Now we will solve question 1D. We will write the question first in good handwriting. You don't solve your questions on chart paper. Students solve questions on copy, not on the chart paper. I have done it because I have to show you and explain you, isn't it? But you will solve in copy with pen. Okay, students, am I clear? Now we will solve 1D. Write the questions. Mr. Gupta puts 3 whole number 1/4 liters of petrol in his car. If he uses 1/3 of it, he might have gone to travel for some distance. So he used 1/3 of it. How many liters of petrol did he use? How many liters we have to calculate. So we will write solution again. Total petrol is given 3 whole number 1 by 4 liters. We will write here. Then 4 into 3 plus 1, 13 by 4 liters. Now petrol used is given 1 by 3. So we will write 1 by 3. Statements are necessary in word problems. Now petrol left. What will we do? Again the same process. 13 by 4 of 1 by 3. Of means multiplication. Now 13 1 ja 13 divided by 4 3 ja 12. Numerator is greater than 12, so we will change it into mixed numbers, mixed fractions. 1 whole number 1 by 12 liters. Answer. Equal to sign should be given at proper place. Here you see in the chart how I have given. You will have to also give like this. Now question 1 E. You will write the questions nicely. Neha spends 3 by 5 hours a day in morning exercise. Just see, Neha is very good girl. She does exercise, yoga like you. See how much time she spends in it? 3 by 5 hours. How many hours does she spend in morning exercises in 1 week? We will have to calculate in 1 week how many hours she spends. How many days are there in 1 week? Students, you know it very well. How many days are there? How many days? 7 days. So we will take use of it, isn't it? Now look at the chart. Solution again. Total time in 1 day she gives in the exercise is equal to 3 by 5 hours. Number of days in 1 week is equal to 7, we know. Total time in 1 week will be 3 by 5 of 7. So, of means multiplication. 3 by 5 into 7. 7 3 ja 21 divided by 5. Numerator is greater, so we will divide it, change it into mixed fraction. 4 whole number 1 by 5 hours. Answer. Very easy and interesting. Equal to sign. Here, like this you will have to give. Now the last question we will solve. Question 1F. Write down the questions nicely. The thickness of mathematics book. Have you got your mathematics book this year in this session? I think no, but you will get soon, don't worry. So what is its thickness? 1 whole number 1 by 4 centimeter. You can take the measurement with the help of a scale. What will be the thickness of a pile of 16 such books? How many books are there total? 16. So what will be the thickness? We will have to calculate. We will write solution. Thickness of one book is equal to 1 whole number 1 by 4 centimeter is equal to 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 5 by 4 centimeter. Number of books are given 16. Total thickness will be 5 by 4 of 16. Of means multiplication. 4 4 ja 16. 5 4 ja 20. 20 centimeter answer. See how I have given equal to sign. You will have to give like this. So do the work neatly like I have solved. If you don't solve your questions nicely, correctly and neatly, then I will not solve.
Check.
And after, I will not check. And if you, when you solve your questions, then you must check your answers with your book. If it is wrong, you solve it again and neatly and do your work as I have done on the chart. But do in your copy, not on the chart paper. You must put one line after solving one question Hardly you just solve 2 questions in 1 page. You must write questions, then solution, then answer. In every steps you have got marks, isn't it, students? If you do it nicely, then you will get full marks, 5 by 5, isn't it? So remember it. If you do yoga at your home, you will write yes in my science group. Okay, students, we will meet again. Thank you.